How to recover Instagram account without email, password or phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you if there is a way to recover Instagram account without email, password or phone number. So let's get started. Simply you have to just look for the saved password on your device. For the iPhone, I'm opening the application password. After you open password application, at the top in the source field, you'll have to search for Instagram. From here, if you find any password of your account, simply you can recover it from here. Or you can, as usual, check it for your Google account. Simply open any browser. After that, after you open browser with your account, tap on your profile icon at the top right. From here, tap on password manager. And from here, if you see any password that is saved for your Instagram account, simply you can recover it from here. At last, you can do a request to Instagram help center. Simply open browser and in the search field you'll have to search for Instagram help center. After here, simply you have to tap on hacked Instagram account, and from here simply you'll have to tap on the option visit this page, and from there you'll have to just look for the option appeal or request or message to Instagram help center. From there you'll have to just mention the problem. You don't have the access of your email, phone number and your account. Simply you'll have to provide your username, and after you made a request you'll have to just tap on submit. After you submit a request, Instagram will often reply in 24 to 48 hours. From there, they might provide you some guidelines or procedure, and that's it. This is the way you can try. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.